Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Grubhub's account. Watch the video till the end. To sign up for your Grubhub's account, firstly, open your Google search. Type in Grubhub sign up and make a search. Click on the first link shown on the page. To create your account, enter your first and last name, your email address and create a password for your Grubhub's account. Your password must be at least of 8 characters, one lowercase letter, a number, and a small character with the uppercase letter. Tap on Keep Me Signed In if you want your account to be remembered next time you sign in. After filling all the required credentials, tap on Create Your Account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can sign up for your Grubhub's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.